Hey guys, what's up? Joe Simpson here with TechWake. Wanted to do a quick one with you tonight. A feature on the Lumix G9 that I found to be very handy is the teleconverter function. So I wanted to show you tonight about what that is, how that works, and why it is a good thing to use in the situations where you might need it. And you're not going to lose image quality, and you'll get a little bit more distance and zoom out of your normal lenses. So hang with me and I'll show you how it works. The Lumix G9 sensor is actually much larger than 4K. It takes the overall image size of 5184 by 3888 and it converts that information into your final 4K image. So there's some extra data there to be used. So what you can do with this is use the 1.4x or the 4K teleconverter on this camera, and it will in essence give you like a zoom. It'll use a crop down portion of that sensor and give you a longer reach with your camera lens. So it gives you a 1.4 times crop with your 4K settings, and then also it'll give you like 2.7, I think, 2.7 times crop with anything else. So if you're sitting there at a soccer game and you've got your 12 to 60 Leica, which is my favorite lens, and you just can't get the reach you want out of your lens, you could always put it in teleconverter and your stabilization and all the things on the camera still work the same. You're just going to get more reach. Turning on the teleconverter mode in the camera is very easy. Simply go over to the menu button, go into the camera settings, and scroll down until you get to the teleconverter function. When you switch this on in 4K, you will have 1.4 times teleconverter mode, or if you switch it on in 1080p, it'll be 2.7 times teleconversion mode. This is the standard view from 4K mode with no zoom at 60 millimeters. This is the same 60 millimeter lens with 1.4 teleconversion in 4K. This is 4K with the teleconverter and the added 2 times digital zoom. This is the standard 60 millimeter view in 1080p. This is the same 60 millimeter lens with the 2.7 teleconversion on. Finally, this is 1080p with 2.7 teleconversion and 2 times digital zoom. But it's something to fiddle around with. I wanted to just show you this real quick tonight before I went to bed and give you a tip or trick to work on with your G9 and something you may not know about. I didn't know about it until just the other day, actually. Now there is digital zoom on this camera too, which is kind of the same thing, but that comes at a little bit of a cost of data loss. I think the 2x digital zoom is about equivalent to this 1.4x telephoto mode, but the 4x digital zoom does cost you a little bit of data and resolution, but sometimes when you need it, you need it. So hang in there, come back soon. Hope to help you guys with more tips on the G9 coming up here in the near future, and I'll talk to you guys soon with some new products coming around the corner. Take care.